Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to check if someone logged into your Messenger account. First, open your Messenger application. Then tap on the three lines at the top left corner to access the menu. You will see a gear icon. Click on that to open your settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down and look for See More under Account Center. If you don't see it, make sure your Messenger app is up to date. Tap on See More and then select Password and Security. In the Password and Security section, find and click on where you're logged in. From there, select Facebook to view all the devices logged into both your Messenger and Facebook accounts. You will see a list of all the devices currently logged in. To remove a device, simply tap on Select a device to log out. Choose the device you want to remove and confirm the action. If you want to log out of all devices at once, tap on Select All, then Log Out. You may be prompted to enter your password for security purposes. Once done, you're all set. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.